If you think sneezing with your eyes open is impossible, well, get ready for a wild ride because we're about to bust that myth wide open. Picture this. You're in the middle of a crowded subway car, and that sneeze is creeping up on you. Now, do you close your eyes and risk missing your stop, or keep them open and defy nature? The myth says, no can do, buddy. Your peepers will always slam shut. But what if I told you that's just a load of baloney? Yup, the idea that you can't keep your eyes open while sneezing is more busted than my Aunt Rita's ancient TV. Scientists have actually proven it. It's possible, though a bit tricky. So next time you feel that sneeze coming on, give it a shot. Just don't blame me if you end up looking like a confused owl. Stay curious, folks. And hey, don't forget to share this video with your friends who still think they gotta choose between sneezing and seeing.